show you how you can invest in the loans to support our smallholder farmers here at EthicHub. So to start off, we're going to click on Start Investing. This is going to take you to this page where you need to register your email. You can either do it with Google or type in your email directly, but you need to keep in mind that you need to agree with the terms of service and the privacy policy in order to toggle with the Google button. For the purpose of this example, we're gonna go through this option, and here we go. Alright, you're gonna click continue, and that's gonna send a verification to your email address. So now we're gonna move to the other page, and as you can see, we received something. And now we click in login. Alright, perfect. So you're logged into EthicHub. Now we can close this page. There we go. And it's gonna take a bit of time. Perfect. So here you have the options to select two wallets. This one is a wallet that's linked directly to your email address that has no seed phrases, so no 12 words that you need to remember. And this other wallet is a MetaMask wallet. If you're already a crypto user, you may want to use that, but that's really up to you. Alright, so we're going to click on the Magic Wallet. Bam, there you go. You created yourself a wallet that's directly linked to your email. And yes, now you're an EthicHubber. So we're going to take ourselves to project. And there we go. So you see you have different projects here that need funding. Some have already been funded. So you're going to click on, let's pay for the harvest to Azteca. You're going to click on invest. And then you're going to choose the amount on the later page. Here you have a little icon about the KYC, so know your customer. You need to fill this in order to withdraw your funds, but as right now we're just investing, we're going to do this later. Alright, and here you can choose the amount. So for this example, we'll stick with 100 euros, but you can remember that the minimum deposit is 20 euros. And then you're going to click next. Your contribution is making a positive impact. That's what we're about at EthicHub. Because you're helping our smallholder farmers to reach capital that they wouldn't have access to if it wasn't for your capital that you're lending. So thank you. And here you can click complete your contribution, put in your card details, the expiry date, the CVV, accept, and then you invested. Thank you so much.